It's the beginning of November and the perfect time to prepare your website for the biggest sales day in the world. Here are 5 simple tips to festive up your online store in readiness for Black Friday. Number 1. Set the right mood. Ensure your website has a joyful atmosphere so it looks like the perfect place to do some Black Friday shopping. You don't need to make a complete redesign because people should feel they've come to a friendly and familiar shopping place. But you should consider changing the hero image and adding some bright banners to notify your customers about the best offers and discounts you've prepared for them. Number 2. Demonstrate your best deals. Special discounts, that's what shoppers are looking for during Black Friday weekend. Display the products with the biggest discounts on your homepage so users can see them at a quick glance. Don't forget to include additional sales details, discounts on specific products, a 50% discount from the second purchase, duration, and more. If the discounts differ depending on the type of product, create a separate sale poster for each section of your store and advertise it effectively. Number 3. Social media promotions. Send your customers a newsletter with information about the best prices, discount codes, and links to your website. Use social media to tell potential clients about the special offers and attract more traffic to your website. Offer special coupon codes and gift certificates for your followers, something that always stimulates plenty of shares. Number 4. Inform customers about deadlines. Limited time offers are a great way to draw shoppers in, create a sense of urgency, and get them to convert. A great idea is to introduce a sales countdown timer. You can place it at the top of the website with a top discount or even a giveaway. Number 5. Do some cleanup. If your website takes more than 3 seconds to load, there's a good chance that 40% of potential customers will leave it and go to your main competitors. So make sure your website is up and running fast. The easiest way to do it is to optimize content-heavy pages with lots of images, graphics, or videos. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to check TemplateMonster for more Black Friday stuff. See you next time. Bye.